Every successful person has one thing in common: their ability to communicate. Without communication, we can never truly translate our ideas, thoughts, or emotions. And having bad communication skills is even worse. This leads to misinterpretation and confusion. We hold meetups every week, from beginners, intermediary, and advanced classes. Our beginners meetups are for people new to public speaking, or those looking to improve their communication skills in English, which may not be their first language. We cover everything from correct business English, pronunciation, writing a presentation, body language and non-verbal communication, voice coaching, breathing, overcoming stage fright, and much, much more. All this in a friendly and safe environment at our magical venue in the heart of Barcelona. We believe that practice makes progress, so we aim to provide our students with as much stage time and practical exercises as possible. We also provide private recordings, so you can monitor your process and understand your critique. Our members come from all walks of life, from young entrepreneurs, business owners and executives, to politicians and professional public speakers. So not only are you learning new skills, but you're also making new friendships and expanding your social circle. The same way that you go to the gym every month to keep your body in shape, we advise that you attend our classes to keep your mind sharp and in shape as well. We invite all new members to attend our beginners class first to see what we're all about, before deciding upon a level which best suits your abilities. Your first class is free, so why not check our calendar below to see which date best suits you, and we look forward to seeing you soon.